When we think about a small bathroom, many immediately imagine it must feel cramped, hard to organize. But size is not the limit. Color can transform perception, creating space to breathe even in the smallest corners. The right colors calm the eyes, soothe the mind, and make a room feel larger without a major renovation. Let's explore colors that not only beautify, but also bring positive energy to start your day. Bright white opens up a small bathroom, reflecting light and creating a sense of spaciousness. White is timeless, simple, clean, and elegant. Soft pastels bring a gentle, calming vibe. They keep the space light and welcoming, making even the smallest bathroom feel serene and inviting. Light gray adds sophistication without closing in the space. Perfect for a modern, subtle backdrop that pairs well with natural textures or metallic accents. Mint green injects freshness and calmness into a small bathroom. Energize your mornings while keeping the space airy and relaxing. Neutral tones like beige and cream create a cozy, timeless atmosphere. They make a small bathroom feel larger and complement wooden or metallic accents beautifully. Sky blue combined with white gives the illusion of openness, almost like bringing a piece of the sky indoors. Keeps the space fresh and uplifting. Lavender softens the space, adding a delicate, soothing touch. A calm retreat without overwhelming the senses. Pale yellow brings warmth and positivity. Reflecting light beautifully, it creates a cheerful atmosphere that brightens your day. Blush pink adds a soft romantic touch. It creates a cozy, welcoming feel, perfect for a feminine and airy bathroom. Aqua blue invokes freshness and clarity, reminiscent of water itself, ideal for a revitalizing bathroom experience. Soft peach brings warmth and a subtle glow, making the bathroom inviting without overwhelming the space. Warm taupe balances neutrality and warmth, giving a small bathroom an elegant, grounded feel. Seafoam green evokes a coastal freshness, creating a calming, airy retreat for any compact bathroom. Powder blue softens the room while keeping it light and spacious, perfect for a serene and peaceful environment. Soft coral adds warmth and gentle vibrancy, making a small bathroom feel lively yet comfortable. Ivory offers a timeless elegance, brightening the space while keeping it sophisticated and understated. Light sage brings calm and nature-inspired serenity, perfect for a tranquil, small bathroom retreat. Frosted blue reflects light softly, creating a dreamy, spacious feel for even the tiniest bathroom. Warm sand tones add coziness and a grounding natural feel, making your bathroom both inviting and airy. Soft lilac gives a delicate, peaceful ambience, perfect for a relaxing bathroom experience without feeling cramped. Creamy almond adds a soft, comforting glow to a small bathroom. It's subtle yet inviting, giving a sense of warmth without overwhelming the space. Soft mint refreshes the senses while keeping your bathroom airy and calm. Perfect for creating a tranquil, inviting atmosphere. Light aqua evokes freshness and serenity, making a small space feel open and rejuvenating. Warm beige adds a natural, timeless elegance. It makes the space cozy and inviting, perfect for a relaxing bathroom. Powder pink offers gentle warmth and a soothing ambience, turning even a small bathroom into a delicate retreat. Light taupe provides subtle sophistication, grounding the space while keeping it bright and spacious. Sea mist combines soft green and blue hues, creating a coastal-inspired calm that feels both fresh and airy. Pale peach warms the space gently, making the bathroom feel light, welcoming, and cheerful. Soft lilac adds a delicate, serene touch. It transforms a compact bathroom into a peaceful, relaxing space. Sky gray is modern yet neutral, offering a clean, airy backdrop that complements light and space beautifully. Light lemon infuses brightness and positivity, making your small bathroom feel cheerful and expansive. Frosted aqua softens light while creating a dreamy, spacious effect in a compact bathroom. Soft sand adds warmth and calm, giving a cozy, inviting atmosphere while keeping the space open. Misty blue evokes tranquility and openness, perfect for a small bathroom that feels like a serene retreat. Warm coral brings gentle vibrancy and energy, making a compact space feel lively yet soothing. Vanilla cream provides timeless warmth, reflecting light beautifully and enhancing the sense of space. Pale mint creates a fresh, calming atmosphere, perfect for a peaceful morning routine. Soft sky blue opens up the room visually, giving a sense of freedom and lightness to a small bathroom. Light blush adds subtle warmth and elegance, making the bathroom feel cozy without shrinking the space. Frosted lavender brings gentle serenity, transforming a compact bathroom into a calm, inviting haven. Soft almond adds a gentle, cozy glow. It's neutral yet inviting, perfect for making a small bathroom feel spacious and warm. Aqua mist refreshes the space with a subtle, serene tone. Ideal for creating a calming, airy bathroom environment. Pale coral injects warmth and soft vibrancy, turning even a tiny bathroom into an uplifting space. Sage green evokes nature-inspired calm, making a small bathroom feel tranquil and balanced. Powder blue softens the space while keeping it light and airy. It's perfect for a peaceful, relaxing bathroom. Soft peach cream adds warmth and softness, creating a welcoming and open feeling even in a compact bathroom. Frosted sky blue brings a dreamy, expansive effect, reflecting light and visually enlarging the space. Light lavender gives a gentle, serene ambience, perfect for a small bathroom retreat. Warm beige balances comfort and sophistication, making a small bathroom feel cozy yet spacious. Mint cream combines freshness and lightness, turning a compact bathroom into a calm, airy sanctuary. Soft lemon adds brightness and a cheerful glow, creating a sense of space and positivity. Frosted aqua softens light while adding a cool, spacious feeling to a small bathroom. Light taupe offers understated elegance, grounding the space while keeping it bright and airy. Blush cream warms the room gently, making even a compact bathroom feel inviting and open. Soft sky blue opens up the room visually, giving a sense of freedom and lightness. Pale peach softens the space, creating a welcoming and cozy atmosphere without crowding it. Soft mint green refreshes the room and evokes calm, making the bathroom feel airy and spacious. Frosted lavender adds serenity and elegance, perfect for creating a peaceful retreat in a small space. Warm sand gives a natural, grounding feel, balancing coziness and light to enhance a compact bathroom. Light blush pink adds subtle warmth and charm, turning a small bathroom into a gentle, inviting space. Soft almond cream adds a cozy glow without closing in the space. Perfect for a small bathroom that feels warm and airy. Light aqua blue brings freshness and serenity, visually expanding the space and calming the mind. Pale coral blush injects gentle warmth and subtle vibrancy, making even compact spaces lively yet soft. Sage mist evokes nature-inspired calm and balance, perfect for a tranquil bathroom retreat. Powder sky blue softens and brightens, creating a peaceful, spacious feel in any small bathroom. Peach vanilla brings warmth and subtle charm, making a compact bathroom inviting without feeling crowded. Frosted teal softens light and adds depth, creating a spacious, dreamy effect in a small bathroom. Lavender gray offers a gentle, calming sophistication, ideal for small bathroom tranquility. Warm beige sand balances coziness with elegance, making the room feel welcoming and airy. Mint cream softens the space while keeping it fresh and light, perfect for a calm, airy bathroom. Lemon chiffon adds brightness and cheerfulness, visually enlarging the bathroom and lifting the mood. Frosted aqua mist softens light while adding a refreshing, open feel to a compact bathroom. Taupe sand provides subtle elegance, grounding the space while enhancing brightness and openness. Blush vanilla adds gentle warmth and charm, making a small bathroom feel soft, inviting, and spacious. Sky blue mist opens up the room visually, giving a sense of lightness and freedom in compact spaces. Pale peach cream softens the space, creating a cozy, welcoming atmosphere without feeling cramped. Soft mint aqua refreshes the bathroom while keeping it airy, spacious, and calming. Frosted lilac adds serenity and elegance, transforming a small bathroom into a peaceful haven. Warm sandstone brings natural grounding and comfort, balancing coziness with openness. Light blush peach adds subtle warmth and gentle charm, making a small bathroom feel inviting and soft. Soft almond beige gives a warm, cozy glow without shrinking the space. Perfect for making a small bathroom feel inviting and airy. Aqua fog refreshes the space, adding a soft, serene feeling and making the bathroom appear more spacious. Coral blush adds gentle warmth and subtle vibrancy, transforming a compact space into a lively yet calming environment. Sage cream brings nature-inspired calm and balance, perfect for creating a tranquil small bathroom. Powder sky blue brightens and softens the space, giving a peaceful and open feeling in a small bathroom. Peach vanilla soft adds warmth and charm, creating a welcoming atmosphere even in compact bathrooms. Frosted teal mist softens light and adds depth, giving the impression of a larger, dreamy space. Lavender gray offers gentle sophistication and calm, ideal for a peaceful bathroom retreat. Beige sand balances coziness and elegance, making a compact bathroom feel spacious and inviting. Mint cream refreshes the space while keeping it light and airy, perfect for a calm, serene bathroom. Soft lemon brings brightness and positivity, visually enlarging the bathroom and uplifting your mood. Frosted aqua blue softens the light while creating a refreshing, open feel in a small bathroom. Taupe mist adds subtle elegance, grounding the space while enhancing the sense of openness. Blush cream warms the space gently, creating a soft, inviting atmosphere in compact bathrooms. Sky mist opens up the room visually, giving a feeling of lightness and freedom in even the smallest bathroom. Pale peach softens and warms the space, creating a cozy and welcoming atmosphere. Soft mint aqua refreshes the room, keeping it airy, spacious, and soothing. Frosted lilac gray adds serenity and elegance, turning a small bathroom into a calm retreat. Warm sand beige gives natural comfort and grounding, balancing warmth with openness. Light blush peach adds gentle warmth and charm, making even a tiny bathroom feel inviting, soft, and spacious.